Today I'm going on a flight to KAIETEUR waterfall and BB's coming with me. Are you excited for the waterfall?
Of course.
Boarding pass. We just found out that the plane's going to go upside down. So I'm anxious for the flight and this is BB's preparation. Alright, so this is the plan. This is our pilot today, Ferial. She's a beauty queen and a pilot. Ready for takeoff?
No.
We passed through a lot of rain clouds, but now you can see a huge amount of forest and jungle. Why are you so chill? That was fine, that was chill. You like it here?
Yes.
It was an honor to fly the sky with you.
And you were something else.
We made it. And just like that, it's over. Captain, don't forget me. Adam, come to Guyana, come see this KAIETEUR waterfall. Do not talk to my auntie with any disrespect if you ever come here.